This will completely change how you use ChatGPT to learn Python. Hey everyone, I am Chang, a software engineer who works at TikTok, Amazon, and Microsoft. And I have discovered a framework for prompt engineers that accelerates Python learning by 300%. Most people are typing basic questions into ChatGPT and wondering why they are not seeing results. Today, I will show you the exact prompts that help me master multiple programming languages throughout my career. In the next 10 minutes, you will discover how to create a custom Python learning roadmap, 3 prompt techniques that will save you hours of learning time, the 6 ways to writing production-quality Python code with AI assistance. Let's dive right in. The foundations of rapid Python learning is having a clear, personalized roadmap. Without this, you will waste countless hours on irrelevant tutorials and random coding exercise. Most people waste time with ChatGPT because they don't know how to ask effective questions. Let me show you how to create your personalized Python learning plan. First, let's watch what happens when I use this basic prompt. This isn't how most people use ChatGPT. With vague and general questions that leads to vague general answer. Notice how quickly it responds to simple prompts. But the information you will get is just as basic as your questions. Not very helpful, right? Now, watch what happens with this enhanced prompt. The key to getting detailed, useful response is being specific about exactly what you want. I'm essentially creating a template for ChatGPT to follow. This may take a few seconds to generate because we are asking for much more comprehensive information, but it is worth the waiting. See that difference? This is how to get ChatGPT's work for you, but we can take this even further. The real power comes when you tailor the learning plans to your specific backgrounds and goals. Now I am leveraging my existing knowledge and specific career goals to customize the learning path. This is something no generic course can offer you. ChatGPT is now tailored its response to views on what you already know and creating a learning experience that's unique to your backgrounds and goals. This level of customizations would cost hundreds of dollars with a human tutors, but how do we ensure we are not missing anything important? One technique that I use is cross-referencing with established learning resource. So I will have this ChatGPT's prompts into ChatGPT as well to cross-check it. This is the crucial steps that most people miss. Validate your learning path against established resource to ensure you are not missing anything important. We are essentially asking ChatGPT to act as a quality control checks on its own recommendations. Some things I learned to do while working on critical systems at Amazon. These techniques ensure you are not missing anything crucial in your learning journey. With your roadmap in place, let's move on accelerating your learning process. Advanced prompting technique. These methods will help you understand complex concepts faster and retain information more effectively. If you already know another programming language or even SQL, using these translation prompts to leverage your existing knowledge. These techniques leverage your existing knowledge as the foundations for new learnings. Your brain forms a connections much faster when it can relate new concepts to familiar ones. Think of this as building a bridge between what you already know and what you want to learn. This is how I will be able to pick up new language so quickly throughout my career. I use these exact techniques when transitions between projects at Amazon, and it accelerates my learning significantly. But what about those particularly challenging Python concepts? For more complex concepts that is hard to grasp, try this learning prompt. For complex concepts, you need to build understandings layer by layers. This prompt creates a learning ladders that take you from completely beginners to advanced understandings. Educational research shows that concepts explained in multiple ways have much higher retention rates. These are techniques that I use when transitioning to many projects in Microsoft as well. Now, let's put theories into practice with hand-on coding. When you are ready to write actual code and apply what you have learned, use this prompt. Learning happens in the doing. This prompt doesn't just give you code, it provides a fully common solutions that teach you while you are implementing it. Notice that I am asking for the code to include details, comments, and improvement suggestions. This transforms a simple code examples into a comprehensive learning experience. This practical exercise bridges the gap between learnings and real-world applications. Now, let's take a look at how to take your skills to a professional level. The techniques that separate hobbies and professional developers. Here is a prompt that I use when optimizing a system at TikTok. This is where ChatGPT become more than a tutor. It's become a senior colleague. We are asking it to provide an entire problem-solving framework, not just code snippets. The prompt mimics how we approach problems at tech companies like TikTok, thinking through the entire analysis process before writing a single line of code. This type of prompt doesn't just give you code. It teaches how to think like a senior Python developer. But writing code is only half of the battle. Professional developers need to ensure their code is production ready. Use this prompt with your own code to check its qualities to professional standards. Code reviews is how you level up from writing functional code to writing professional code. In this prompt, we are asking ChatGPT to serve as the senior developers, reviewing our work. At companies like Microsoft, on course go through the code review. This prompt simulates that experience, giving you feedback that normally require years of industry experience to receive. This approach helped me improve code qualities by 32% on the critical Azure security project. Now, let's prepare you for landing that dreams Python job. This prompt have helped several of my mentees land jobs at top tech companies. Having interviews candidates at top tech companies, I know exactly what hiring managers are looking for. This prompt created target interview prep plans that focus on what actually matters. Most interviews prep resources are too general. This prompt created customized plans for Python roles specifically, focus on the type of problems you will actually face in the interviews. But the learning journey doesn't stop once you have mastered the basics, or even landing a job. The best developers create systems for continuous improvements. Use this prompt to create a continuous improvement cycle that will keep your skills sharp and growing. This is perhaps the most powerful prompt in your learning journey. Let's create a personalized curriculum that involves your own skill levels and continuously challenge you at the right level. This is the difference between casual learnings and professional developments. We are create a structured systems that adapt to job progress, just like having a personal mentors. We have covered a lot in these videos, from creating your personalized Python roadmaps to advanced mastery techniques that I use in the top tech companies like TikTok and Amazon. The prompt I have shared today are not just theories, they are the exact methods that I have used to rapidly master Python and other programming languages throughout my careers. If you want to go even deeper, I have created a free PDF with 50 powerful ChatGPT prompts specifically for Python masteries. The link is in the description below. This guide includes prompts for data science, web development, automations, and AI applications. Everything you need to accelerate your Python journeys. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe buttons if you want more tutorials on using AI to accelerate your tech careers. And let me know in the comments which prompt you found most useful. Until next time, happy coding!